So here's the bunk bed, you guys. Excuse the room. I am in the midst of cleaning it up and changing some things out. But I am thinking I want to disassemble this bunk bed and separate the beds because I have a 6-year-old and I have a 2-year-old. So I'm thinking my 2-year-old really can't climb because we're scared of her climbing and coming back down. She can get up, but she can't get down. And my 6-year-old doesn't like sleeping up there like she thought she would. So I think it would be more beneficial if we go ahead and separate the beds and put them wall to wall, and then do their dresser in the middle or their dollhouse in the middle, something so it can be more functional for them to actually sleep separately and not always together like they do right now. If that's what they choose, we'll see, but that's what I'm thinking, guys, and I'm excited for it. Okay, guys, so first off, excuse me in my robe, and yeah, I'm just real comfortable in this photo. But yeah, I did not get to film me transforming the room entirely, unfortunately. This is just a quick clip of me applying the pink wallpaper. And yeah, I hope you guys like it, and the next clip will show the reveal. So guys, I decided to do something really cute but still simple for the girls. As you guys can see, I am just loving it. I love these ballerina comforter sets that I found for both of them because it just fits them. And definitely these little inspirational pill and stick quotes that I found with the pretty little black girls to put on both sides of their wall. I'm just so in love. So in the middle of their bed, I decided to go with this cute little couch and these bookshelves for them, which is so befitting because my girls actually like to read, especially my toddler. So I thought that this would be the perfect thing for them, to add a little, decor and keep it real kid friendly in their room. So on the top bookshelf, I made it a little bit more personal for them. My mother had books made for them, and they were the characters in the books with their names. So on the left here, we have Princess Amaya, and on the right, we have Amani, we love you, along with their own personal photo album books that I have photos of them printed out of them. So it's a real cute, personal thing that, embodies them individually as well as collectively. And I'm so in love with it. So a fun fact here, this Minnie Mouse on my toddler's bed used to belong to me when I was a little girl like my girl. So this is like one of the dolls I kept just to kind of pass along to my babies as they grow. And this Hello Kitty here on my big girl's bed used to belong to me as well. So they have a little piece of mommy each on their beds in their room. You guys, I just want to say, if you do not have your kids one of these, you might want to think about getting it, because this nightlight, along with some soothing music, does it, okay? So here it is, guys, the final look. Please let me know below in the comments what you think. I do have some things I want to add, possibly their names over their beds, but I'm going to work on that soon. But I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my YT fam, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.